warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anis Novitasari. In this video, I will present my teaching English for language practice. Here, I use a cooperative learning method. It has 5 principles. The first principle, positive interdependencies. Students work in group and share their idea. And the second, individual accountability. It means students must do their best work individually. And the third, group processing. It means get information by another group opinion. And the fourth, interpersonal and social skill by share their opinion. And the last, formative interaction, interact with another to solve the problems. During learning process, I use the think, pair, and share technique. The focus material is understanding about short story. Students work in pairs to understanding their own part of story and visiting another group to get information about their friend's opinion and what the whole story talk about. And the last is share their opinion. The background of the students are junior high school, around 11 until 13 years old. I also have a question and answer session to measure their knowledge about what the whole of story talk about. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, student, let's start our discussion today by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now I will give you a piece of paper before we start our discussion. This piece of paper is related in our material today. Okay. Then you must sit down in pairs because today we will work in group. Please, each of student sit down in pairs. Okay. No, you already have a partner, right?
Yes.
Okay. And here I bring something for you today. Anyone can guess what is it?
The boy.
Alright, this is the boy. And here, what is it?
3 apple.
Alright, why you say there is a tree apple here? Because there are so many apple, right?
Yes.
Okay, you are so smartly. Now, anyone can guess what happened with the both of them and why I bring the tree apple and the boy together here? Anyone can guess?
No.
Okay, you will find out after you read a complete stories here. But in this time, I just give you a part of story. There is a 3 part. The first, the second, and the third. So, if you wanna know about the complete story you talk about, you must ask your friends. But in the first task, you can take a look a piece of paper that you have here. Take a look in the first column. What I think. What I think contain. You must understand what the part of story that you have. Okay, and now I divide you into 3 groups. There is for the first group, then the second group, and the third group. Say, jangan lupa tambah ini. No, you already have a part of story. Then your first task is write down the topic that you have in the first column. Okay, anyone? Is there any question?
No.
Okay, then you can start now. Time is yours. Nah, saya mengerjakan.
Mbak, tulisan.
If you confusing with the material, you can ask me a question. I'll give you around 5 minutes to complete the first task. Already done with the first task?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, now let's move in the second task. In the second column here, side, what do you think? So, do you still remember that you don't have a complete story?
Yes.
Okay, now you just understand a part of story that you have. Then, in the second task, you should get information about the complete story. And your task is ask your friends. Ask them the part that you don't have. Only one of you must visit another group. So, tugas kalian di sini adalah mengunjungi kelompok lain untuk mendapatkan informasi tentang part story yang tidak kalian punya. Get my point?
Yes.
Okay. Time is yours. Okay guys, are you done with the second task?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, please return it into your first group. Okay, now I think you already know about the complete story. Then your task is in the third column. Let's share them. So you must write the summary about the complete story talk about. Jadi kalian harus menyimpulkan dari cerita yang kalian dapatkan dari teman-teman kelompok lain dan juga dari kelompok kalian sendiri. Get my point?
Yes.
Okay, time is yours. Now, I wanna ask you to explain about your own summary. And only one of you start from the second group. Please come here and explain in front of your friends. Who is second group? Who is second group? Kelompok 2, raise your hand.
Angkat tangan.
Raise your hand, don't be shy. Raise your hand, you in second group. Please come here and explain in front of your friends.
Yang mana? Itu.
Sit down, duduk.
Sing banter, Bu.
Come here. Don't be shy.
Ngono.
There are the boy and three apple. Terdapat anak laki-laki dan sebuah pohon apel. After the boy turned the man, he never visit three apple and come just for help. Setelah anak laki-laki tumbuh dewasa, dia tidak pernah mengunjungi kembali.
Why? Gimana ceritanya? Your summary. Setelah dia mengunjungi sampai mana? Pohon. Terus what the next? You can talk your friend from first. Ulangi lagi nggak apa-apa.
There are the boy and three apple. Terdapat anak laki-laki dan sebuah pohon apel. After the boy turned the man, he never visit three apple and come just for help. Setelah anak laki-laki tumbuh dewasa, dia tidak pernah mengunjungi pohon apel dan datang kembali untuk meminta bantuan.
Okay, give applause. What's your name? Keisha. Okay, give applause for Keisha. You can sit down. No, I wanna ask the third group to explain about your summary. Please, one of you come here. Okay, silakan ke depan.
There are the boy and three apple was happily. Terdapat anak laki-laki dan pohon apel yang bahagia. The boy always play around tree apple. Anak laki-laki selalu bermain di sekitar pohon apel. But the boy never visit tree after he grow up. Tetapi anak laki-laki tidak pernah mengunjungi pohon apel setelah dia dewasa.
Okay, give applause. It was a good enough explanation by the second group and the third group. But I think there is less complete. From the first group, can you complete the explanation about the story? Please come here and explain.
There are the boy and three apple. Ada anak laki-laki dan pohon apel. The boy always play with the tree since he was child. Anak laki-laki itu selalu bermain dengan pohon apel saat dia masih kecil. But after he turned into the man, he never returned and come just for happy. Tapi saat dia sudah beranjak dewasa, dia tidak pernah kembali dan datang hanya untuk meminta bantuan. Finally, the man getting old. Akhirnya, lelaki dewasa itu menjadi sudah tua dan and don't need anything just place to rest. Dan tidak menginginkan apapun, hanya tempat untuk beristirahat.
Okay, give applause almost perfectly by the first group. Thank you. I think you already understand, right? What happened with the boy and the tree apple?
Yes.
Okay. Now I wanna ask Friza. Friza, what do you think about the boy in this character?
I think the boy is cruel and antagonist.
Okay, do you wanna live like the boy in your reality life?
No, I am not.
Okay, Friza think that the boy is very cruel, so she wanna be like the boy. Okay, then the next question I wanna ask Bella. Bella, what do you think about the tree apple?
I think the tree apple is very kind.
Okay, do you wanna be like tree apple in your reality life?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Bella said that tree apple is a very kind, so she wanna be life like tree apple because the tree apple always have and give anything he have. Okay, and then the last question I wanna ask Vita. Vita, in your opinion, what the lesson that we can get from this story?
I think this story like our life. The tree is our parents. When we were young, we love and play with mom and dad. But after we grow up, we love them.
Okay, a good opinion. Give applause. Okay, so guys, Vita said this story is very related in our daily life. The tree apple is like our parent, mom and dad, and the boy is like ourselves. But I hope you do not imitate the boy character here because she left the tree apple and just come for help. Okay, and then I wanna ask you some question. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. You can answer in Indonesia or in English. Okay, get my point? Jadi saya punya beberapa pertanyaan. Kalau kalian tahu, angkat tangan, raise your hand. Bisa dijawab in Indonesia or in English. Okay, the question is, for what the boy sell the apple? Okay, Caca.
Bye.
Okay, give applause. So, is very correct. The answer from Caca. They said the boy sell the apple to buy toys. Okay, the second question. Which the part of tree is used to build a house? Which part of the tree apple? Anyone can guess? Just raise your hand. Oke, Caca lagi. Yang lain. Oke, Vita. Oke, that's right. Princess, give applause. Jadi, the boy cut the branch to build a house. Okay. The next question. What dayung root in Indonesian? Apa sih dayung root itu dalam bahasa Indonesia? Dayung roots. Okay, Bella, please.
Akar tuang.
Okay, give applause. So smart for Caca, Vita, and Bella. Thank you for your answer. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for your participation, for your answer my question. I hope this material is very useful for us, and I give you a message. Be a good doctor. Always love and caring each other. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.